How you going, guys? Welcome back to the channel. On this video, I'll be showing you how to paint aquamarine candy over the top of virtual chrome. You can get some pretty cool effects by applying candy over the top of the virtual chrome, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to do it. Now, if you're curious about how to paint virtual chrome, you're lucky. In the description is a link to take you to the DNA Paints YouTube channel, where I actually made a full in-depth guide on how to apply virtual chrome. So after this video, go in the description, click on that video, go watch that one, and yeah, that will bring you up to speed to roughly where we're at from this video. Alright guys, well there's the 4 coats of candy and the 2 coats of custom clear over that virtual chrome guard. Comes out really nice, doesn't it? I quite love it, and yeah, I can't wait to do more candies over virtual chrome. Now, I'm going to do another video coming up soon about how to do the virtual chrome in, I guess, simpler terms. But if you want a really in-depth guide on how to paint virtual chrome, jump into the description below and there'll be a link for the DNA Custom Paints virtual chrome video. Anyway guys, I'm going to leave it there. You guys all take it easy. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys on my next video.